What are you looking at, George?
I just put new spark plugs and new wires in my car today.
Yeah.
And I'm looking at how he's got his routed. His are nice and neat. I got this thing here, but I see how he's got everything nice coming along the side here,
yeah.
And then comes over. See how he's got them all nice and neat?
Mm-hmm.
You don't see too many of them with dual quads like that.
Yeah.
Now that's a rare car. The 68 Cougar.
Oh.
What makes that rare? It's a true GT, meaning it's a 390 car.
The white one?
Yeah. There's only like 2,500 were 390s.
Wow.
That's a $40,000 car right there. Not too many of them left. Yeah. It's a beautiful car too.
I gotta go look at your wiring.
Yeah, let me see my wiring. How neat his is. Well, I'm keeping my fingers crossed for Sunday. It doesn't look too good right now.
No, it doesn't.
Maybe we'll have a miracle.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I get nothing about that. What's a vacuum line to hide that down there? Not much I could do, you know? That's about all I could do.
Yeah.
Not much more I could do. See, mine are over my valve covers. He
did this too.
Well, I got my coil in the way. Mine's close to his.
Did you see how mine are run?
Let me see yours. Oh, no, that's...
And I got the 9mm, the big ones.
Oh, yeah, I got 7. The 7mm. No.
These are not.
Once
So,
I can do that,
yeah.
that's hooked to here.
You can buy that. It bolts
So
right
they
on
just
your...
hook right onto there. That's
and then it holds all your wires. Nice.
How neat that is. I like that.
Keep them off the headers.
Very neat.
Yeah, he's got something similar on this Chevy motor.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Yeah.
All chrome.
Well, he's got the color matched cables. Look at that. Yeah.
Look at this piece here.
Oh yeah. Well, the builder did all this.
Mm-hmm. Fabricated all that. What a nice job. What's this thing here?
This is the builder
I wonder
spirit.
what this thing here is. Some kind of a heat sensor or something.
Where is it? Into the manifold?
It's into the block. It's into the block.
Could be
oil pressure.
Oil
Pressure gauge.
That big brand. Yeah, that's the oil pressure.
There's a coolant sensor.
It's oil pressure.
Yeah.
Where's John going? Where's that? Go look at the one, that yellow Mustang.
Yeah, you don't want to hear it. You don't want to hear it. He's been doing some work on here. Just put a new headliner on.
Wasn't yours like this too, or no? What engine's in yours?
302. Oh. Yeah, they only made like 2,500 of these with the 390s. These are rare. These are pricey cars. These are running 40 grand right now.
So that's.
Well, this was a 390 car. He put the 428 in it.
Not a lot of room.
This was worse than this one. This is really bad. How do you get in there?
Wow.
How do you get your hand in there?
Wow.
You can take off a whole bunch of stuff to get can't get your fingers in there.
Can't even get through the wheel well.
I'm a man. It's just crazy. I wouldn't want to change these spark plugs. I don't think I could do it. Can't even see him.
Yeah, I should have drove the 37. This is the year I sold it at Rhinebeck.
Ah.
This is it. So I sold my car at Rhinebeck, and all they got was a lousy T-shirt.
Oh, yeah, they stopped right back, didn't they? Yeah, they stopped it a few years back.
Nice in there.
A lot of options on this car. It's got air, it's got a full console, it's got leather interior.
Look at that. Yeah.
Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes in the front with the air.
Oh.
So it's a highly optioned car. He went with the real Autolite battery, $400.
Oh, I see that.
That's the real deal. You know, that's his brother's car.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah. What a beauty, huh?
Nice. Yeah.
Oh, look at these spark plugs. Isn't that pretty?
Nice.
Do with your eyes closed.
Well, these cars were a lot wider.
More breathing room, huh?
Hello, Larry.
Got headers on here. Beautiful color. It's got drums all over it. Is this it?
Probably. The weather's supposed to turn next week.
She code for 389. What's it? Well, it's a nice one, though. Open up.
Huh?
Yeah. It's like, oh my God.
Nice looking 55.
I wouldn't mind owning this car. A nice 4-speed inside. Very well done.
You know, he does like that's a bad chance.
I don't
Hello, Bob.
buy all this stuff. I just make do with what I
That's
got.
a nice.
The guy who owns it. He's got a.
Oh, is this Bob's?
Yeah. Oh, you know Bobby?
I know Bob.
Yeah.
He's got nice cars.
Yes, he does. Yeah, he loves his Plymouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty straight too. Beautiful paint job. I had one of these when I lived in Florida. I had a '67
Oh, really?
Fury 3. Fury 3's at the top of the line. Well, the black interior goes good with this burgundy. How many miles on it? 63,000.
Amazing. Looks good with those Kragers.
That's a different style Krager.
Yeah.
They do look pretty decent on there. There's little rivets all around it. It's different. It sits nice and level too.
Yes, it does.
Second one, the girl, she was all qualified.